GalileoSky terminal enables to set parameters of data transmission in terms of choosing appropriate mobile operator, setting national and international roaming. In configurator, these settings are specified by such sections as international national roaming, SIM card switching, and list of mobile operators codes. Home country parameter is meant for entering of country code, international roaming, or country and operator codes, national roaming. Maximum session length parameter is meant for setting transmitted data amount in bytes or sending only the first packet. Each mobile operator has minimum tariffication interval in roaming. Set maximum data amount equal to a half of this interval. Other half is left for DCP/IP maintenance traffic. Its size depends on communication quality. Let's try to enter 5000 bytes. The third parameter, interval, is meant for setting periods of GPRS session for data transmission. If we set 2, it means that terminal establishes communication each 2 hours. List of codes for SIM0 and SIM1 parameters are meant for entering lists of mobile operators codes if it is more preferable to transmit data by certain providers. General procedure of terminal operation and roaming is the following. Terminal receives country and operator codes by registering in mobile network in its current position. Terminal checks if there is list of mobile operators codes and compares received operator code with this list. If received operator code is not in this list, terminal registers in GSM network. GPRS connection will never be established. If received operator code is in this list or list of codes is empty, terminal compares received country or operator code with set home country code parameter. If they are different, terminal is in roaming and activates GPRS connection according to interval and maximum session length. Let's consider some setting methods of roaming. If there are no any values in roaming parameters, home country and list of codes, data transmission inside and outside the country is determined only by chosen SIM card plan without any limitations. In case of country or operator code entering into home country field, situation changes. If country and operator codes from cell station differ from the specified parameters, terminal sends data according to roaming settings. For example, by entered home country code as 25001 for MTS operator, terminal will establish GPRS connection according to schedule if there are no stations of this operator. By entered operators codes, terminal checks if operator code is the same as entered codes. If they are similar, it compares with home country value and then determines whether activate data transmission and roaming or not. For example, by entered country code as 250 for Russia and 25001 for MTS and 25701 for Welcome Belarus into the list of codes. In Russia, data transmission will be unlimited by registering in MTS network, and in Belarus, by registering in Welcome network, it will be according to roaming schedule. If there are no networks of these operators, GPRS connection will not be established and data will not be transmitted. In case of using terminals versions 4 or 5, enabling to apply 2 SIM cards, it is possible to enter list of codes for the second SIM card. One list is for Russian SIM card, other is for foreign one. It is possible to switch between SIM cards to reduce costs. Note that in roaming, terminal always supports registering in GSM network, but it initializes GPRS session only according to schedule, so you can always call or send command to terminal and reduce costs.